In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to successfully save your payment method without running into common errors. First, open your browser and go to alibaba.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you have your card details handy. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down, choose Account Settings. This is your main hub for profile, security, and payment preferences. Inside Account Settings, select Payment Methods. This page shows any card you've already linked and is also where you add a new one. To add your card, click Add a Card. You'll see fields for the cardholder's name, the card number, the expiration date, and the security code on the back of your card. Enter the billing address exactly as it appears on your bank statement. Even a small mismatch, like an abbreviation or missing apartment number, can cause verification problems. If there's an option to set this as your default payment method, choose it only if you want this card to be used for future orders automatically. When you're done entering the details, proceed to verification. Alibaba and your bank may trigger an OTP, which stands for one-time passcode. This code might be sent by text message, through your bank app, or via email, depending on your bank's settings. Enter the code promptly, as it usually expires after a short time. If the code doesn't arrive, check your signal or internet connection, look for any messages from your bank, and use the resend option if available. Never share this code with anyone. After the code is accepted, click Save. You should see a confirmation message and your new card listed under Payment Methods. If you don't see it, refresh the page and confirm that all details were entered correctly. If the card is declined, check with your bank to ensure online or international transactions are enabled and verify that the billing address matches your statement. That's all you need to add a card. If you ever want to manage or remove a card, you'll do it right on the same payment methods page where your cards are listed. As a final tip, avoid adding cards on public Wi-Fi, keep your account secure with strong authentication, and sign out if you're on a shared device. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to manage your payment methods confidently.